Welcome back. Lots to talk about this morning. Good deals, great deals, and deals gone wrong. But first, I want to share something I am super excited about. I filmed this a few days ago, and honestly, I like this even more now that I've been using it more. So check this out. Before we get into the deals for today, I want to share something with you. Many years ago, I decided it made more financial sense for me to invest in some home gym equipment versus continually paying for a gym membership. So over time, I've just been adding to my home gym, and I recently got a new exercise bike. I got the YESOUL G1 screen bike, and it is a really good value. It has all the great features of top brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Even better, I have a discount code to share with you guys. The discount code is Christina, and it will take $100 off the cost of the bike. But let's go upstairs. I want to show you my new bike. Here is my beautiful new bike. So the bike is well made, very easy to put together. It is adjustable in multiple ways. The seat will go forward and back. The height will adjust up and down. The handlebars will also adjust for your height. The resistance is here. There's also cages for your feet as you're exercising. The bike came with these little dumbbells, so you can use dumbbells in some of your exercises, as well as check out this screen. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite part. The screen is huge and it rotates. But one of my big questions was, how do I use it? What exercises can I do with it? Because when I'm exercising, especially at the end of a long day, I want to be able to check out mentally and do what someone else is telling me to do. So with this bike, they have their own app where you can purchase a subscription to their classes, but you can also screen mirror and watch whatever you want from your phone, and it will pop up here on the screen. You can also run videos from YouTube or other apps that you have access to. Will play on here just perfectly. So let me show you what it looks like when you're riding it and watching a class. So I have the screen turned so that you guys can see it, and what's playing here is one of the YESOUL fitness classes. I have the volume turned all the way down, but you can listen to the trainer and follow along, or you can mute the trainer and you can put subtitles up on the screen depending on how you like to work out. But as I turn this knob here, you're gonna see this resistance change. That's how you change your resistance, as well as you'll see your cadence here on the screen so you can determine your RPM as you're exercising. Now, by now y'all know that I'm very honest with you about products I like and products I don't like. This bike is awesome, and I am loving having it as exercise equipment in my own home. So let's talk about these Walgreens deals today. I do want to tell you about the deals I did, how they went. I'm also going to share some of the best grocery deals going on. I know you don't see the grocery deals. It's because I didn't buy any this week. But I do want to give you a heads up on a couple of things that did not work. So let's start with the things that do work. First of all, there was an offer on Fetch Rewards for 1,000 points back per dollar spent. So that's basically whatever you pay, you're going to get back in points for the Star-Kissed tuna. So I picked one up at Walgreens at $1.89. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got $1.89 back. So a little freebie if you want to snag that at Walgreens this week. If you're not using Fetch, you can grab it with my referral code and score some additional points when you scan that first receipt. I do have a full tutorial on Fetch if you want to know more about how that works. Another deal that worked beautifully is on the Crest products. Pick up one of these Crest Stain Eraser toothpaste at $3. Pick up the Vivid Oral-B toothbrush at $3. There is a $2 digital for each of them. So we've got $6 minus $4 in coupons. We paid $2. You're going to get a $4 register reward back if you do it in store. If you do this curbside, you'll get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So either way, it makes it free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, not all register reward deals will give you Walgreens cash if you do them curbside. This one did. I placed this as a curbside order and I got the $4 in Walgreens cash. Now, this one you need to do in store. It's the Gillette shave foam. the online price is $3.99. If your store price matches, you're going to want to do that because the online price is likely going to be cheaper than your in-store price. I did this one in store, so my cost was $4.29. They're buy one get one half off. So one's $4.29, one's going to ring $2.14. I had a $2 digital coupon, so I paid $4.43. And I got a $4 register reward back, making it 43 cents for both of them, or just 21 cents each. Like I said, if your store will price match their online price, you can snag these completely free. Now, another awesome deal that worked out better than I was expecting is on these Cascade Platinum Plus. They are $5.49 each. They're on a promotion for buying 4 and getting a $5 register reward. There's also a spend 20, get 5. So here's how this happened. I bought 4 of these at $5.49. I had a $2 digital coupon, so I paid $19.96 at the register. You can use Walgreens cash. I did. So I paid $19.96, but my total was over $20 because I had other things, so I used $20 in Walgreens cash. I got back 3 different $5 register rewards. $5 compliments of P&G, $5 compliments of P&G, and then this $5 register reward as well. So that drops my total down to $4.96 for all 4 of those, or just $1.24 per pack. Now, let me tell you about a few other deals going on before I tell you about the mess that was gained this week. Arm & Hammer. Buy one, get 2 free, but there's also a $1 digital coupon that's working on this one specifically. So that makes each of those $2.16 a piece. Great deal. The trail mix, nice trail mix, on sale for $2.48. The Blue Diamond almonds are $5.99 on sale with a $1 digital coupon that makes them $4.99. The Fruit Loops, the Kellogg cereal, still on sale for buy one, get 2 free. So that online price is 3 for $6.79. I told y'all last week my in-store price was cheaper. It was like 3 for $4.99. If you haven't used that $1 digital coupon yet, you can use that for your order as well. The Delamex taquitos, these increased in price. They used to be $4.79 because I was looking at an old graphic that I did. And I say old, not that long ago. So the Delamex taquitos are buy one, get one half off. They were $5.79 online. My Ibotta had a rebate for $1.50 back on each of them. So you'd get $3 back on Ibotta if you have that offer, making them $5.68 for both of them, or just $2.84 each. The Scott paper towels and toilet paper, also a good deal. They're $5 regular price. Now there is a $1 coupon for the toilet paper, a $1 coupon for the paper towels. There's a $1.25 store coupon that will apply to each of them. So $2.50 will come off there, leaving you to pay $5.50 for both products, or just $2.75 each. That is a good price if you need toilet paper or paper towels. If you needed one or the other, you're going to get the $1 off and the $1.25 off of one item. Now, let's talk about Gain and the digital booster this week. I had the digital booster for like spending 25, you got 10. I think it was spending 10, you get 5. I'll pop it up here on the screen. My digital booster didn't work. I had to call customer service to get my $10 from my digital booster for spending 25. Don't know why it didn't work. I've heard from other people theirs didn't work either. Let me know if yours is working down in the comments. Let's help each other out. Now, my plan, the Gain products are $5.49 a piece. There is a promotion online. It shows 2 promotions. It shows spending 30, getting $10 in Walgreens cash, and it shows there is a rebate for spending 30, getting $10 back from Procter & Gamble. So my plan was to spend 30, get $10 back from the Walgreens deal, get $10 back from the rebate deal, and stack that with my digital booster, getting $10 back from spending 25. But that spend 30, get 10 in Walgreens cash, that's all over the website, it did not work. And when I called customer service, she said, oh, that's not for curbside orders. It's only for online orders. I'm like, well, I literally did this like 3 days ago when the promotion was running, and I got the $10 for curbside. She's like, it only works for online purchases. I can't tell you why it worked last week. So I'll give you $5. I'm like, okay. Like, I'm not going to argue about it. It didn't work. But that didn't work, and my booster didn't work. That seems a little fishy, right? So y'all are going to have to let me know if these, like, spend 30, get 10 is working for you when you're doing curbside. I wouldn't expect that it would because it did not work for me, but please let me know down in the comments. I'm going to tell you what I did, what I expected, but then what actually ended up happening. My plan was to buy 6 of the Procter & Gamble included Gain products. Now for the rebate, you have to have at least 1 softener and 1 detergent, which I do. My total was $32.94. I was going to submit for that rebate for $10 when you spend 30, which I'm still going to do. I just haven't done it quite yet this morning. I was going to get the $10 in Walgreens cash for my digital booster, as well as the $10 for spending 30 on Procter & Gamble products. So my thought was that it would end up being $2.94. Now, customer service did give me the $10 for spending 25. I will get the $10, or I assume I will get the $10 on the rebate that I will submit, and I'll include a link to that rebate for you guys down below. It's through PG Good Everyday is where I found the rebate. And then I ended up getting $5 back because that's what customer service gave me instead of the 10 for spending 30. So I'm a little frustrated that it seems like nothing at Walgreens was working this morning. Couple that with, this was super weird. Last week I bought something, and then when I went to pick it up, it was a new store. They didn't give me a receipt. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to return it because I wanted a receipt. I'm going to return it. They returned it. I had used Walgreens cash to pay. I didn't get the Walgreens cash back. So when I was on the phone with them this morning about this, I was like, you know, I can't figure out what happened. Can you see? She's like, we don't even see that the items were returned. I'm like, well, I saw her do it on the computer, but like, it's not showing in my system either. And she's like, something happened at the store. You need to go back to the store and talk to him. So this week, if I have time, I'm going to stop back by the store and figure out what's going on with that. But I understand why you guys get frustrated with Walgreens because it can be very frustrating. And this is why I try to be your guinea pig to show you what works and what doesn't work. The Cascade worked beautifully. So do this bad boy in store. Get your 3 register rewards. Hopefully that will stay going on all week. But be careful with the spend 30, get 10 because it did not work for me curbside. Please do let me know if you try something in the comments. If it's working for you, let us know. That way we can share the information. I got the liquid, the softener, the flings, and the sheets, but all of them were marked as included in that spend 30, get 10. So I don't know what happened there. I think that was it. I think that was everything I wanted to tell you. If you're looking for promo codes, there were a couple of codes on the site this morning. The best one I saw was WAG30. Try that one on your Walgreens branded items. See if you can get 30% off because that WAGs, the nice toilet paper, is on sale for $1.99. There's cereal that's on sale for $1.99. The little case of water bottles also on sale for $1.99. The trash bags, the complete home trash bags were $1.99. So all of those are on sale. Try to stack it with that WAG30 code and see what happens for you. Now, questions, let me know down in the comments. Hope y'all have an amazing start to your week. I will include pictures of items that I found on clearance at the end of this video. Thanks.